everyone. I'm Sarika. So today we are going to discuss about the conductivity of semiconductor. Okay, so we know that conductivity is the reciprocal of resistivity, and again resistivity is the product of resistance area per unit length. Okay, so mathematically we can write rho is equal to sigma is equal to 1 by rho, and rho is equal to RA by L. Okay, so here is the semiconductor. So again, battery is connected across the semiconductor, and again we know that if the battery is connected to semiconductor, there are the charge carriers. So this solid body consists as electrons, and vacancy is considered as a hole, okay, denoted by H. So here is the hole. So at the 0 degree Kelvin, this semiconducting material acts as an insulator, and if we increase the temperature, the motion of electrons and holes produced in the semiconducting material. Okay, so electrons are moving opposite to the applied electric field, and holes moving towards the electric field. In the absence of electric field, these charges moving randomly. Okay, so here is the current denoted by I. So total current flowing through the semiconducting material is I is equal to IE plus IH. Okay, so IE is current due to the electrons, and IH is the current due to the holes. So again, current due to electron is NE VE A into E. Here NE is the charge concentrations of electrons, VE is the velocity of electron, A is the area of material, and E is the charge on electron. Okay, so here is the drift velocity of electrons. So we know that if under the action of electric field, these charge carriers moves with some speed, that is known as the drift velocity. If the electrons moves with some speed, then it is known as the drift velocity of electron. Similarly, for hole, current flowing through the semiconductor due to hole is NH VH A into E. Similarly, NH is the charge concentration due to the hole, VH is the drift velocity of hole. Okay, so putting these two equations in this equation, we get I is equal to NE VE AE plus NH VH A into E. So A and E, these are two common factors. So take outside the bracket, we get A E in bracket NE VE plus NH VH. Okay, so again we know that drift velocity in terms of mobility is V is equal to mu into E. Here mu is the mobility of charge carriers, and E is the applied electric field. Okay, and V is the drift velocity. So for electron, it becomes VE is equal to mu E into E, and VH is equal to mu H into E. Okay, so E is the electric field. So definition of electric field is the potential difference per unit length. Okay, mathematically we can write E is equal to V by D. Okay, so V is the potential difference and D is the length. So putting this value in this equation, we get it is denoted by L. So we get mu E into V by L. Similarly, of VH, it is mu H into V by L. Okay. So again, putting these two values in this equation, right, as equation 1, therefore I is equal to A into E in bracket Ne into the value of E is mu E into V by L plus NH into mu H into V by L. Okay. So V by L again it is common term. So A into E V by L in bracket we get Ne mu E plus mu H N H. Okay. So write as the equation 2. Again rearranging this equation, likewise V by I is equal to, so rearrange this equation V by I, so we get N divided by A into E in bracket Ne mu E plus mu H into N H. Okay. So we know that according to Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. Okay, so V is equal to IR, Ohm's law. So therefore R is equal to, we get V by R. So putting this value in this equation, we get R is equal to L divided by A into E in bracket Ne mu E plus NH mu H. Okay. So here is the formula for resistivity. So putting the value of R in this equation, we get resistivity. So rho is equal to L into A divided by L into A into E into Ne mu E plus NH into mu H. Okay, so after cancellation of terms, we get resistivity is equal to 1 divided by E in bracket Ne mu E plus NH into mu H. Okay, so here is the resistivity of semiconducting material. So again we know that sigma is equal to 1 by rho. Okay, so putting this value in this equation, we get, therefore sigma is equal to 1 divided by, again reciprocal, it is E in bracket Ne mu E plus NH mu H. Okay. So after solving this equation, we get sigma is equal to E in bracket Ne mu E plus NH mu H. Okay. So this is the conductivity of semiconductor. So sigma is the conductivity, E is the charge on electrons, Ne is the charge concentration of electrons, mu E is the mobility of electron, NH is the charge concentration of holes, and mu H is the mobility of holes. Again, we know that sigma is the sigma E plus sigma H. Okay. So using this above equation, we can write sigma E is equal to E into Ne into mu E, and sigma H is equal to E into NH into mu H. Okay. So this is the conductivity of electron in semiconductor, and this is conductivity of holes, that means p-type semiconductor, and it is equal to E into NH into mu H. Okay. So this is the main conductivity of semiconducting materials. So again we know that semiconductor is divided into two parts. So first is the intrinsic semiconductor and second one is the extrinsic semiconductor. Okay. So for intrinsic semiconductor, it is, we know that intrinsic semiconductor is a pure semiconductor. That means number of electrons is equal to number of holes. Okay. So putting becomes sigma is equal to E in bracket Ni into mu E plus Ni into mu H. Okay, so Ni is a common factor, so E into Ni in bracket mu E plus mu H. Okay, so for intrinsic semiconductor, the conductivity of semiconducting material is E into Ni in bracket mu E plus mu H. Okay, so again for extrinsic semiconductor, it is again divided into two parts, N-type semiconductor and P-type semiconductor. Okay, so for N-type semiconductor, Ne is greater than equal to NH. That means charge carrier concentration of electrons are always greater in N-type semiconductor, or it is also known as major charge carrier concentration of electrons. So for N-type semiconductor, conductivity is E into Ne into mu E. Okay, and for P-type semiconducting material and P-type semiconductor, okay, so NH is greater than Ne. Okay, so here majority charge carriers are holes, so NH is greater than Ne. Conductivity becomes sigma H is equal to E into NH into mu H. Okay, so this is the conductivity for P-type semiconducting material.